What's up, YouTube? It's Quet, Living with Quet. It's my channel. I'm gonna have a general channel, a little bit of everything, like cars, like firearms, a little bit of vlogging about my life and shit. But this is an EDC video, first one I ever done, so it'll be no editing, no homo. This joint gonna be raw. Posted just like this, give it a shot. So start off, this is my everyday carry. I'm gonna start off with my wallet, regular wallet, you know what I'm saying? Special, regular little wallet. Yeah, boy. That's what this is. My work phone, which is an iPhone 8. And my current phone, my personal phone, is an iPhone 10 unlocked. It's on carry. I carry these every day, along with the 2 phones and the wallet. My keys. Got the small key system right here. This is the only length I carry. I don't carry a bunch of knives like everybody else doing the EDCs. My 2 car keys, my 2 vehicles, safes, been in the building and shit. I think this is the 5th generation or 4th generation Apple Watch. The biggest size they offer. Little rugged case, standard bands. Sometimes I carry this, sometimes not. Little light. Where I live at only have 10 round magazines, so they're one of them bullshit states. But I carry critical defense, federal critical defense, blue tips, the blue box. These they break apart on impact. So yeah, tactical belt, so I stay straight up. I ain't got no links, so no, I'm not looking for that. I'm not that good at YouTube yet. But this is my tactical belt. Amazon, I don't know how much I paid. Keep the gun up good. This is my, I might have did too much for a curry gun, but I have a backup. This Tactical Davis holster off of eBay, great holster. I suggest y'all try them. If you're into a holster, it's got the everything, like extended mag release, extended slide release. It got the concealment cloth, 1 clip adjustable, cant adjustable, attention adjustable. For the IP, that's an Infos IPL light, mini C IPOC. Armor cutout, any scope cutout, red dot cutout. And now for the weapon. It's clear. I already heard about y'all being safety and stuff, so this is my weapon of choice. This is a Glock 19. I think it's an LJAR slab. It's an LJ. The website LJAR parts. This slab came off of there. This is the Steel City Arsenal barrel. I purchased it via eBay, but they got a website you can actually go through. I got a lot of add-ons for this that I don't carry, but you know, I got a Fox. I forgot, Grip Fox. It's not Tylon, this is Grip Fox. It's a different company. I like this company better. It's the better little grip and shit. But I built this gun. Simply about the Swamp Fox. This is Swamp Fox. This is the most cheapest, reliable scope you could get. Only thing I don't like about it, every 4 hours you have to tap it to keep it on if you plan on using it while you curry. I'm not gonna use it. I got suppressor sights by American Glow, and they glow in the dark, so this is more for show. I don't need it. I got good without that, practice a lot. So the only thing I really need is this, just in case it's ever in the dark. But other than that, I got a standard mag release, standard slide release, scope cutout, first eye sights, custom barrel, spiral. All internal parts are stock, and don't mess around with that shit. Stock magazines. That's pretty much it for the gun. It's my little baby. I got a backup, got a tools. I ain't gonna show that because I don't curry every day, so basically I'm just showing my curry. What I curry every day. So that's this. There's my good light. Come in handy because I got 2 jobs. I'm always out and about, and one of these actually come in handy at both jobs because I work overnight at one job and the other job I work with my hands. I'm a mechanic, so yeah, that comes in handy. 2 vehicles. Yes, I had a keyport one. It fell apart on me. It didn't even last 7 months. It fell apart. I think on the 4th or 5th month. AirPods. Oh, also my personal phone. It has a 10,000 mAh battery pack on it. I forgot what brand. Some brand off of Amazon. It's not zero limit. They are the best. Give me like three full charges from 20. Need that because like I said, I'm gonna remove my watch, basic wallet, work phone. Please comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. Have more videos coming soon and better editing. Thank you. And if you need a link or you want a link to something I posted, just ask me in the comments and I will reply with the link. Thank you. Y'all have a good one.